Good morning, students, and good morning, parents. Welcome to Edistar International School. You are watching Class 5 Mathematics, Chapter number 4 Multiplication and Division. Part 7. We have already studied in the last class. Divide a number by 2-digit number and 3-digit number. Today we are going to study about divide a number by 4-digit number and word problems in division. Now I am going to explain how to divide a number by 4-digit number. So one of the examples given for you, 1,60,945 divided by 1,234. The first number is the dividend and second number is the divisor. So the first number you had to write inside the box and second number you had to write outside the box. Write on first, then after you write the multiplication table. 1,234 is given a side. Now you see here in the divisor how many digits we have? 4 digits. The same 4 digits you have to take in the dividend also. 1,609. Okay, first 4 digits you have to take. Now 1,234 is less than the 1,609. So divisor is lesser than the dividend. So we can tell how many times are there. 1,234 how many times are there in 1,609? You have to check with the multiplication table. The product of two numbers is equal to 1,609 or less than 1,609. You check in the multiplication tables. We are not having 1,609, but a lesser value is there. That is the first value. So we want to take that things only one times are there. So write 1 at the top and 1,234 right at the bottom. Now you have to subtract the value. Divide the two values. We want to subtract the two values. So you have to subtract how much you are getting now. 375. So 9 minus 4, 5 and the 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 3, 7. Here already a 1, 2, 0. So it becomes 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So 305 we have. And we have the remaining 2 digit in the dividend. So we want to bring it the number one by one down. So first 4 only we had to bring it down. So the 375 becomes 3,754. Now we have the 4 digit. Now you tell 1,234 how many times are there in this number. So we want to check once again in the multiplication tables. We are having less than 3,754. At how many times it has? 3 times are there. In 1,234, 3 times are there. So that 3 we want to write it at the top. So 3,702 we want to write at the bottom. Now you subtract the two values. 3,754 minus 3,702. If you subtracted means you are getting 52. Then we have remaining 5 or there that you want to bring it down. So 5 to 5. So 525 how many times are there? I mean 1,234 how many times are there in 525? So 525 is very smallest than the divisor. So no times are there. So what we have to do here? Write no times are there means you imagine that is 0. So we want to write 0 at the top and write 0 at the bottom also. So again you have to subtract the two values. You are getting remainder 525. So 130 is the quotient and 525 is the remainder. So this is the answer. Now I am going to explain word problems in division. Are you ready to listen now? Number 1. A factory manufactured 9,36,243 clips in 21 weeks. how many clips are manufactured in one day? They given more, they are asking to find only one day. So we want to divide the two values. Given more, they are asking one thing finally means we want to divide the values. Solution. First, we had to convert the 21 weeks into number of days. They are asking days, but given in the question weeks. Okay, so we want to convert the week into days. So first, you have to write 1 week equal to how many days? 7 days. Then how many days are there in 21 weeks? That we want to find first. So 21 weeks is equal to, first you write the 21 and per week how many days? 7 days. You want to multiply the both values. So 21 into 7 you get how many days? No, 147 days. Okay, then for we converted here, then you write number of clips. Number of clips are manufactured in 21 weeks. How many clips they are producing? No, manufacturing 9,36,243. So that we want to write it here first. Number of clips are manufactured in 21 weeks is equal to how much? 9,36,243. Okay. Then next what they are asking to find here, how many clips are manufactured in one day? So that we want to write number of clips are manufactured in one day. The last line we want to write on like that. Okay, number of clips are manufactured in one day. What we had to do, already I told that the given more, they are asking one thing to find means we want to divide the value. So which and all we want to divide? So number of clips are manufactured in 21 weeks divided by 21 weeks. Okay, now alright, 9,36,243 divided by 21 weeks. Okay, that weeks we want to convert into days. Already we converted here. Instead of 21 weeks we want to write 147 days. Number of clips are manufactured in one day is equal to 9,36,243 divided by 147, that is days. Okay, so number of clips divided by number of days, that we want to divide the two values. So the first value is the dividend, the second after division is symbols 147, that is the divisor. So first number write inside the box and second number write outside the box. Then you have to divide the values. First 3 digit in the divisor, you have to take 3 digit in the dividend also. So 936. How many 147s are there in 936? So you write on the multiplication table here side, then you have to write. So 3 digit, first 3 digit. So the divisor is lesser than the dividend, isn't it? So that how many times 147s are there in 936? So you have to check where it is. The product of two numbers and is equal to 936 or less than 936. So we want to take less than 936. So 1000 means it is increasing than the dividend. So we want to take the 6 times. Okay. So how many times are there in 147? Totally 6 times are there. Write 6 at the top and write 882 right at the bottom. Then you subtract the two values. You get 54. Then remaining we have 3 numbers. You have to bring it down one by one. First you bring down 2 alone. So 542, how many times are there? 147 in 542. Where it is 542 is not there, isn't it? So you want to take less than 542. Which number it is? So less than which one? 3 times or less than. So that we want to write. So 3 at the top and write 441 at the bottom. Then you subtract the two values. You get 101. And then bring 4 down. Okay, 1014. Now you see here 1014 is there or not? Not there. So we have to take less than 1014. The product of two number less than 1014 or equal to 1014. So we are not having equal to 1014. So you have to take less than 1014. What is that? 6 times are there. You write 6 at the top, write 882 at the bottom. Then you have to subtract the values. You get 132. Then you have remaining number 3 is there, that you have to bring it down. So now the 132 becomes 1323. Now where it is 1323 as is there at last? No. 9 times, how many times? No. 9 times, that we want to write at the top. And write 1323, then you subtract the two values, you get 0 and remainder. So how many clips they manufacture in one day? 6369 clips are manufacturing. So therefore 6369 clips are manufactured in one day. And then number 2, the cost of 216 shirts is rupees 3,35,232. Find the cost of one shirt. So here 216 shirts, they given the rate, total rates are given that. We are going to find only one shirt. So one shirt, they are asking to one thing rate. So what we want to do here? As we want to divide the values. Okay, write down the solution. First you write number of shirts. How many shirts? 216 shirts. How many shirts? No, 216 shirts. What is the cost of 216 shirts? As rupees 3,35,232. And what is the cost of one shirt? That we are going to find. So what we want to do here? We want to divide the two values. So rupees 3,35,232 divided by 216. We want to divide the two values. Write multiplication tables 216, write aside. Then write 216, write outside the box. 3,35,232, write inside the box. Now here 3 digits are there in the divisor, so you have to take the first 3 digit in the dividend also. Compare the two values, the divisor is lesser than the dividend, means we can tell how many times are there in 335. So 216, it is 1 time are there. If it is 2 times, means it increase the value than the dividend. So we don't want to take. So we have to take the less than 335. So only 1 time is there. So you have to take one right at the top and 216 right at the bottom. Then you have to subtract the value. You get 119. Then we have balanced 3 numbers. So we are going to bring one by one number down. First we bring it down 2 alone. So 1992. How many 216s are there in 1192? So check that multiplication table here. Already I told that the product of two number is less than 1192 or equal to 1192, but is not there equal to. So we want to take less than 1192, which is that 5 times are there. So write 5 at the top, then write 1080 right at the bottom, then subtract the two values. We are getting 112. Then we have remaining 3 is there, that you want to bring it down. Now 1123. So how many times are there? 216, that we want to find. So again it is also has 5 times. So write 5 at the top, then write 1080, then subtract the value, you get 43. Then remaining we have 2 is there, that you bring it down. 432. How many times are there? 216 in 432. 2 times are there. So write 2 at the top, then write 432 at the bottom, then subtract the two values, you get 0. Therefore the cost of one shirt is equal to rupees 1552. Let us start to write the classwork. So you have to take a math classwork note, pen, black stick, pencil and ruler. Draw the margin and write today's date. And already we have completed the multiplication topic. So now we are going to start to write the division part. So write down the heading division, black in color. The number which is divided is called the dividend. So the first line is blue in color, the dividend around black in color. The number by which the dividend is divided is called the divisor. The number obtained is the quotient. The leftover number is called the remainders. So how I presented, you had to present like that. Example, write the heading black in color. 457 divided by 3. We are getting the quotient 152 and remainder 1. So write all those things blue in color. divisor, quotient, dividend, remainder all black in color. Then you write properties of division. Write on the heading black in color. First point, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. For example, 725 divided by 1 is equal to 725. Point 2, when a number except 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. So example, 826 divided by 826 is equal to 1. When 0 is divided by any number except 0, the quotient is always 0. For example, 0 divided by 1455 equal to 0. And fourth point, division by 0 is not possible. For example, 980 divided by 0, that is equal to undefined or impossible. And fifth point, division algorithm. The dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the algorithm is very useful while checking division. Roman 1, divide and check your answer. A, 39,912 divided by 64. Write the question black in color and give the answer blue in color, and write down the quotient and remainder black in color. So 39,912 divided by 64, we are getting the quotient 623 and 40 is the remainder. And checking, dividend equal to 39,912, divisor equal to 64, quotient is equal to 623 and remainder equal to 40. Write down the division algorithm, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So substitute the value for that. 64 into 623 plus 40 is equal to 39,872 plus 40. Then add the value, you get 39,912. And B, 8,28,175 divided by 438. So write the divisor outside and dividend right inside. And divide the values. You are getting quotient 1,890 and remainder 355. Checking. Dividend equal to 8,28,175. Divisor equal to 438. Quotient equal to 1,890. And remainder equal to 355. Division algorithm, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to divisor 438 into quotient 1890 plus remainder 355. So multiply the values, then add with the remainder, then finally we get 8,28,175. So we are getting dividend, getting the answer. So our answer is correct. C, 1,60,945 divided by 1,234. If you are dividing, we are getting the quotient 130 and remainder 525. Dividend equal to 1,60,945. Divisor equal to 1,234. Quotient is equal to 130. Remainder is equal to 525. Division algorithm. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, then equal to 1,234 into 130 plus 525. Then you multiply the two values first, 16,020 plus 525. Then add the two values. Finally you get 1,60,945. So the dividend and you are getting the answer, both are equal. So your answer is correct. Roman letter 2, find the quotient and the remainder. A, 78,965 divided by 1000. Quotient equal to 78. Remainder is equal to 965. B, 6,78,943 divided by 10,000. Quotient is equal to 67. Remainder is equal to 8,943. C, 23,56,748 divided by 1 lakh. Quotient is equal to 23. Remainder is equal to 56,748. Then Roman letter 3, word problems in division. A, first one, a factory manufactured 9,36,243 clips in 21 weeks. How many clips are manufactured in one day? Solution. First we have to write 1 week equal to 7 days. 21 weeks equal to 21 into 7 days is equal to 147 days. Number of clips are manufactured in 21 weeks is equal to 9,36,243. Number of clips are manufactured in one day is equal to 9,36,243 divided by 21. Number of clips are manufactured in one day is equal to 9,36,243 divided by 147. You get the answer 6,369. Therefore, 6,369 clips are manufactured in one day. Number 2. The cost of 216 shirts is rupees 3,35,232. Find the cost of one shirt. Solution. Number of shirts is equal to 216. Cost of 216 shirts equal to rupees 3,35,232. The cost of one shirt is equal to rupees 3,35,232 divided by 216. And divide the values you will get finally. Therefore, cost of one shirt is equal to rupees 1,552. What and all we want to write in the classwork? Concept of division, properties of division, Roman letter 1 divide and check your answer, and Roman letter 2 find the quotient and remainder, and Roman letter 3 word problems in divisions. Write the classwork neatly without mistakes. Thank you children. Thank you parents. We will meet in the next class.